Next up, clean up Tier 3 for Shadow Company. In this, we need to extract 8 leftover gas cans from the exposed Observatory Lab. This is relatively simple and in a new area. So let's go ahead and hop into Al Mazrah to get started. Right, so here we are on Al Mazrah. Unfortunately, I'm on very far away servers, but anyways, what we need to do is head across to the Zaya Observatory up here and enter the underground area. There are a few ways of entering the underground area, so it shouldn't be all that difficult. Now, obviously, you'll want to do this as quickly as possible, as there are a limited number of these containers in the underground area, and we need to collect 8 of them and extract with them in order to complete this mission. It's super easy to find, and if you've been down to this new area before, then you already understand what you're looking for. For us, there's at least an extraction point relatively close by, so it should be super easy to get everything we need done. So for example, we can head across to this busted entrance here, just to the northwest, and get inside that way. Right, so coming over to the entrance here, you should see that it's open, and we can get inside. Obviously, this thing will explode when it reaches, I think, 15 minutes left. Anyways, we're going to stay far away from that and head into the bunker itself. So when we get in here, we're going to want to look everywhere in order to find these 8 containers. You'll see exactly what they look like. They're very difficult to miss. For example, inside of this truck, we have our first gas container here. You should be able to find 9 or 10 of these per run, so it should be relatively simple to get everything you need in one go. This is the exit. You will want to check every single door that you possibly can. That way, we'll have the highest chance of finding what we're looking for. And of course, should you not be able to find everything you need to, because you didn't get here soon enough, you will be able to search again and continue collecting these on the second run. Check every nook and cranny. For example, here's a second one. Inside of here, we have a third. Obviously, these will be in different locations every game, so it'll be different for you. Here's another one here, taking us up to a total of 5. You'll need a large backpack in order to collect all 8 of these. A large backpack has 9 slots, so you'll be using every slot except for 1. There we go. We now have 6. We've already covered most of this. Hopefully, we won't need to come back, but should we need to, we can. No, never mind. There we go. Perfect. So we'll grab this final one, and all we need to do now is exfil. 3, 6, 8. Perfect. We'll mark an exfil point and get moving. Oh, and hey, here's one outside even though we don't need it. Now, of course, you can either use a heavy chopper, exfil with a normal exfil point, or even take a hostage exfil to get out of here. It's really up to you. Heading straight for the exfil point, calling it in, and hopefully successfully exfilling, we've now completed this very simple mission. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.